Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC stock price prediction going into tomorrow. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Share our opinion on how we believe AMC will play out going into tomorrow. So as I say, guys, on the previous videos, tomorrow will be tricky, being for the fact that the market has came down to the pivot key level, meaning a lot of stocks have came down to a key level to either they're going to drop down and break down very hard tomorrow, a nice flash crash, or there's going to be a nice bounce that a lot of people isn't expecting due to the fact of how the market started off on a rough patch. A lot of people expecting to short the market tomorrow and for it to come down more. That's why I expect the psychology parts of the market to come into play and try and, jump the market up tomorrow just to bring it right back down. And so we definitely need for AMC to hold and sustain itself though, guys. I wish AMC could have stayed on the same algorithm it was on yesterday. Yesterday, as the market was crashing, AMC started to run up a bit, and that was great, guys, because if we would have stayed on that, the market crashed even heavier today, and AMC would have jumped even bigger on today, guys. So going into tomorrow will be tricky because we don't know how AMC is going to play along with overall market. But as I say, guys, I do believe AMC is definitely ready to launch from here. It's a launch pad from here, guys. We already know this is the buy zone, crazy buy zone. Lots of catalysts, lots of, different factors that's coming into play with the news, the box office numbers, the fundamental aspects of the company, the short interest on this play, the cost to borrow the shares. We got all this stuff just steady adding up, building up steam at these levels, guys. So we already know going into tomorrow, guys, we know that we broke through our main support area on today, as we broke through 1350 on yesterday, and I told you guys we could fly straight to the mid 14s. That's exactly what happened. We went to 14. We went past the mid 14s around 1440, 1450 was I was expecting for the high to be. We went to around 1475. Then we sold off and we came down and started to hold support near previous resistance at 1350. That's exactly what we want to hold up at. That showed us that we had a strong continuation. As you can see on the day, we broke that, came down, and ended the day at $13.28, breaking through that 1350 support, giving us an indication that we is going to have a little free fall in the morning, guys. And going into tomorrow, we could come down. We is definitely coming down to the low 13s, the high $12 range. We want to hold up at around $12.99, the low 13s, 1301, 1303. We even can see, $12 and 80, around $12.88, 90-ish cents. Even if we went to the high 12s, that's still a good hold up. But as soon as we hit it, we need to bounce severely, a nice convincing bounce off of that level, guys, showing us that we is holding up and we're not going back to those levels. Because if that's broken on tomorrow, we're going all the way back to the high 12s. I mean the high 11s, the low 12s. So we definitely don't want that. We want to continue this work in progress because we know if we could keep this steam and keep this momentum that we recently trying to build, we could definitely get to that 50, 60, 70%, 100% day with AMC, guys. We already know how quick this thing could go. Last time around at these levels, this exact level, 13. Now we done came to the 9, 10, 11. We right back where we was at a $13 level when we severely shot up in a matter of 13 days to $36 per share, guys. So you already know once AMC starts to move, it moves. So add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Y'all already know what to do. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.